Hi guys. So today my topic is about how can we show the text on hover image. So let me show you. So here you can see we have three images. So when I hover, so you can see the text here. When I hover here, so you can see the text here as well. When I hover here, so you can see the text as well. So let me show you how can we achieve this. So just go to your dashboard and create a page and click on edit with Elementor, and then from here just click on plus icon, choose flexbox here, then I will choose these six containers here and I will remove the last three ones from here, here and here. So now just click on six dots here, go to advanced section, then from here just remove this one from here, give it 100 margin from top and 100 from bottom. So that's it. So now then click on six dots here as well. So it's done now. Then click on the middle container here and go back to your widgets again and insert a container here. Then click on the outer container here and go to style tab and go to background tab, and from here just make the background color black. So that's it. And then click on the internal container here, and from here give it a minimum width of 400. I will make it 400. It's totally up to you. That's it now. And then go back to widget section and adding here and change the background color to white, and go back again to widget section and add a text here and go to style tab and text color, make it white as well. And now just click on the internal container here, go to justify content, make it center, and align items, make it center as well. And here click on this adding section, go to style tab and make it center, same as it is, alignment, make it center as well. That's it. So I will change my adding to adding 1. I will name it. So that's it. And then I will click on my outer container here and I will go to style, and here I will just clear my color here. So now you can see that's it, and just click on image here. So I will insert this image here. Now you can see I have this image, and then I will go to here on position. I will make it center, and here on attachment I will leave it default. Repeat I will make it no repeat. Display size I will make it cover. Now you can see that's it. And I will go to background overlay here and I will go to over here. I will choose classic and choose color, and I will make it black. So now you can see when I hover it becomes black. That's it. And I will go to my border section here and I will make it 30 from here, and that's it. So you can see 30 border radius from top right bottom, and I will go to advanced section here and I will give it a margin of from 30 from all sides. So you can see now this container is dropped down. I will click on here this section and I will go to layout and I will make this 30 here, the width 30 here. When I copy paste this container, so automatically this column will go up here. So I will show you how can we do this. So now, and I will click on internal container here and I will go to style tab here and I will go to border. I will select border type solid and I will choose border with 2 from all sides, and the border radius I will choose 10, and the border color I will make it white. Now you can see border color is white. And let me go to style tab here, border, let me make it 20. I think 20 is looking quite good. Okay. So now I will just I will just click on the outer container here, and I will go to advanced, then I will go to custom CSS here. Let me drag and drop my code. So here is my code. Let me copy this code and let me paste my code here. So we can see, sorry for that. Just click on the internal container here, then advanced, then custom CSS, then paste your code here. So be careful, choose the internal container. That's it. So now I will just click on the outer container and click on duplicate, and outer container as well. I will click on duplicate. So now I will remove this one from here, and I will remove this one from here. So here we can see I will go to layout. I will make it 27 from here and 27 here. So now you can see, let me make it 28, and let me make this one 28, and let me make this one 28. So now the width are equal. So you can see, let me change the image. I will click on this section here. I will go to style tab, and let me remove this one image here. Go to style and choose this image here, and let me choose this one here. Go to style tab and just choose this here. You can see, let me publish here, and let me show you the preview here. So now you can see, here it is, here it is, and here it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.